everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your first week of November reading start from the 1st through the 7th of November 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time starting tomorrow, and I will be adding oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. And yeah, let's begin. I do have the King of Swords here. I do see you kind of trying to pretend to be I do see you pulling away from something, but whatever it is, I don't think that it's gonna last long, because I feel like you are getting overwhelmed with whatever it is that you are pulling yourself away from. A person, love, whatever it is, it's not gonna stay long. Your emotions are getting deep. Your feelings are getting so high, and it's like you I don't know. I feel like you're gonna cry or something. You don't think you can take it any longer. Pulling yourself away from someone or the person maybe that you love. It's not gonna be easy for you now. So let's see what else do we have coming up for you for this week time starting tomorrow. Let's begin. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, you are feeling so deep for a person, but then you are indecisive. But it's like it's the more I don't think it's gonna last, because with every passing day the emotions are like changing, like a thing, like it's not how it used to be, it's not how it is right now, it's gonna be like in completely different in a days to come. So the more you're gonna wait, the more you're gonna take time to decide. It's just gonna get out of control for you, and I do see you will be getting overwhelmed, and you are going to take the leap of faith, whatever it is that is like stopping you or holding you back right now. You're gonna take the leap of faith and go ahead with your expression of love to someone. Let's see more cards here. Eight of Swords, Four of Swords, Queen of Swords. Underneath the deck, you have Six of Swords. I feel like it's I feel like you take one step ahead for this one person that you love, and then you take two steps back. One step ahead, two steps back. One step ahead, two steps back. But it's not gonna help you, because it has not been helping you anytime lately. I feel like it has been like different now. Maybe you used to deal with the situation earlier in a better way, but now it's hard for you to be a certain way when you feel a certain way. You mask your feelings, you mask your emotions for this person, and now it's very hard for you to do that. You have been always like, maybe every time you felt like the pull for this person, you always pull yourself back, because you wanted to put that mask on. But this time it's I feel like with the King of Swords that came up earlier, I feel like it's very hard for you to keep that mask on now. It's your emotions are very deep, your feelings are very deep, you are feeling so much pull for this person, you are getting attracted to this person. With the King and Queen of Swords, I feel like you guys are soulmates and already bound to be together. But whatever it is that has been stopping you, whatever it is that has been blocking you two from coming together, I feel like it's time for it to go. Because the more you are getting overwhelmed with the emotions that you have for this person, the more it's going to get harder for you. With every passing day, you're going to be thinking of this person more and more and more and more. So nothing is going to keep you blocked now, nothing is going to keep you stopped now, nothing is going to make you like it's like ultimately you're going to have to take action towards this person. If there has been some family issues which could have been the reason why you were not like letting your heart out to this person, or why you were not taking action towards this person, I feel like you or if it was like what people gonna say about it, how they're gonna respond to it, you are not going to think about that any longer. I feel like you are going to go for what you are feeling for. Like I said, with the King of Swords energy, I could pick up that the guy picture on that picture. on that card, it seemed like, that person is going to cry. I don't know. I've seen that card many times, but I never felt that. But I don't know. I felt like, this person is going to cry, with the feelings that they have, and the feeling themselves that, are blocked from approaching their love, approaching what they believe, approaching that, that they have for a person. And I feel like, they, I feel like, you guys are now taking your strength back, and uh, gonna go with that, gonna go away from whatever that was holding you back, and gonna go towards what you believe in. And then maybe for some of you, maybe you will have to take a harsh kind of decision in your life, where you have to maybe walk away from someone, walk away from your family members, maybe the people who used to tell you not to pursue this connection. Maybe you will have to part your ways from that, those group of people. Maybe for some of you it could be a family, issue. It could be, maybe for some of you, you never had the approval of your family for this person, so maybe you will have to, say goodbye to your family to pursue this person, this connection that you have with a specific someone. For others of you, I feel like, it's going to be tough, kind of a decision for you to make. I don't know why is it, getting tough for you to make that decision. But I do see ultimately you're going to make that decision, because that's what you want, that's what you desire. So you will be taking that step forward towards this person, whoever it is that you are interested in, or whoever it is that you are in love with. Nothing is going to stop you now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. I would suggest you to take the action. Excuse me. I would suggest you to take the action. Don't keep yourself in that zone where you are, it's like, being indecisive is not going to help you at all. Like, if you have been pulling yourself away from, or holding yourself back from taking an action or taking a decision at first place, then stop doing that. It's not going to help you. You have to ultimately face this, because you have strong emotion for this one person. You know that, they know that, and it's like, there is one block between the two of you, which could be coming from, people in your life, responsibilities in your life. The other issues can be, can be the case for you. But whatever it is, I feel like, you're gonna take, stand for yourself, because that's the only way you have what you want. Otherwise, you will always stay stuck in this situation, where your life is going to stay unstable, unhappy, and, kind of, emotionally unfulfilled. So I do see that you will be taking action for what you believe in, what you love, is what I'm picking up. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Oopsie. Love endures. Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situation. I do see you moving, away from someone, by taking, taking this person along, and moving away from some people, from families maybe, or something around those lines. Because I feel like, with both these cards, there is like, the travel is kind of evident here. You will have to, maybe, you will have to pack your stuff up and go with this person. Maybe for some of you, either one of you is married, and maybe the other person's family is not ready for that, because of the same reason. But I feel like, you will have to take a step for yourself, for what you believe in, and start your life. And I do see that maybe in the past you might have given up the same connection because of your family issues, or because of they had certain, reservations around this connection. But this time around, I feel like, you are not ready to give up. You are not ready to lose faith in this connection. You find it to be, your strength, and you really want to take strength from this strength, and, move forward and take a step towards, what you believe in, and towards this person, this connection that you have with a specific someone. And you are ready to take on, this new journey with them, whether it's going to be hard, or, whatever it is going to be. You are ready to take the responsibility and take care of your person and your this connection as well. But you are very hopeful. You know that you can make it happen. You can work on your own. You can, uh, you know um, you can do the things that needs to be done independently, without any support from the family, friends, and stuff. For majority of you, I feel like, you will be like, cutting ties from some, people, to take that decision, because it's like, the group of people that you are with right now, maybe your family, or the person's family. maybe they are not ready for or they are not giving their approval. That could have been the issue here. But this time it's like, nothing in the world is going to stop you to whether they accept it, whether they approve it or they don't, you're gonna go for it. So yeah, let's take one more card. Hold on, let me pick up that one card. Yep, so let's take one more card from this deck here. Let's see what it has to add to the reading. Support. Ask for help, get more rest, nurture yourself. I feel like, with this card here, support, ask for help. I would suggest you to ask and seek guidance and help from God. Because I do see with these energies here, with these cards here, it seems like, you are not going to have with this card too. It's like, I don't think that you have support from the people around you. So it's like, seeking help from the unseen, from God, from divine is going to help you a lot. It's going to open paths for you to what what you desire. And just seek guidance and sleep, like, before falling asleep, seek guidance that time. And then you will be finding different ways to tackle this situation in a better way, so nobody in the whole situation get hurt. And whether you get the approval, whether you don't get the approval, you get what you wish for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.